welcome back to my channel. I am Court Love, coming at you with a brand new video. Yay! I know I have not been like recording and stuff like that, but I'm trying to come back with new content because your girl is getting brand deals now. Yeah, so anyway, I am working with this company called EARFODO. This is it. But they have sent me like a ponytail. Yeah, a ponytail. This is my first time opening it up. I didn't even like really see what it looked like. So I'm showing you and being surprised at the same time about this ponytail. So this is like a little clip-on ponytail. And what else they sent me? Like some bobby pins and some lashes. You know your girl always loved the lashes. I use any lash, it don't matter. And it's a nice cute lash that you could wear every day or whatever. Run into the store, excuse me. Yeah. So I'm opening up now to see what it looks like. Okay. Taking it out the net. I didn't expect it to be long. Yeah, okay. So it's synthetic. It's not human hair, but it's all good. I mean, if you're doing like a little quick something, I mean, if you know, one of them high class girls, be my guy. But anyway, I'm rambling. Anyway, so it comes with 2 clips in it. I don't know if you can see it. 2 clips and a drawstring. So I'm going to put this on because I want to see how this gonna look. This is an old little wrap I had, and it's all nappy, especially in the back. Like, it's so nappy from me getting in the shower and having on the shower cap and still getting it wet in the back. Go figure. And then my edges is nappy. But yeah, I gave myself a clip, you know. So yeah, but anyway, let's get into it. Drawstring ponytail before, so we're gonna see how I'm gonna put this together. And I'm using Got to Be Ultra Glue because I need to lay it down in the back so it can be sleek. And I'm going to use a little bit of this Fantasia liquid mousse spritz in the back too. Because you want this ponytail to be sleek, you know. Tell me what's the vibe. in the front for my edges. Not sure if I want to do like some baby hairs or whatever. I don't know. I love the smell of that Spritz. It smells so good. Baby head action. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that so it can be super cute. And I'm gonna just use a hair tie my hair. I know that you find it. Feel like how I'm gonna do my hair. Flatten my hair down or whatever, but so this is how it's going. I guess that's, girl, I don't know. Girl, I don't know. I'm trying to figure this out, like, girl. Oh, I guess that's how it is. Okay. Okay, girl. Hold up. Hold up, girl. And I always like, oh my God, girl. It's not for her, girl. I guess it's with these bobby pins is for. See, I'm not like a ponytail wearer, so I'm not a pro at this at all. So I'm gonna try to figure this thing out. But it's cute. Like, this ain't perfect, yo. I'm gonna be right back because I gotta fix this ponytail off camera, y'all, because this is not happening. And I'll be back with the final results. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. Ooh, it's a lot of hair from one little ponytail. But it's cute. It's cute. It's giving. It's giving, you know. It's cute, especially with the lure, you know. Let me fix my little baby here. Girl, I ain't good with this baby hair stuff. You know, I'm not the best girl with the baby hairs, you know. But I feel like it's giving what it needs to be gave. It's cute. You know, it's cute. I like it. Yeah, so if you want like a little cute look, you know, going out with your girls or going out with your man or whatever, get you a little ponytail. Like, oh, I forgot to tell y'all, this is they are a company off of Amazon, so, but yeah, I love it, honey. Yes, so get you some EARFODO hair ponytail. Okay girl. Yes, honey. And I don't think it was that expensive. I think if I looked at the price on Amazon, it was like $17 or $18, something like that. I mean, yeah, so thank you, EARFODO, for sending me this hair. It's really cute. I love it. Yes, girl. Yes. Say bye.